Welcome to TechGen Solutions. If you're looking for simple, clear, and reliable solutions for Wi-Fi and networking, you're in the right place. On this channel, we share step-by-step setup guides, troubleshooting tips, and smart solutions for routers, Wi-Fi extenders, mesh systems, and the latest wireless technology. Whether you're a beginner or a tech enthusiast, our goal is to help you get fast, stable, and secure internet without the confusion. So make sure to like, subscribe. Let's get started. In this video, we provide a complete step-by-step guide to setting up the TP-Link AC1200 Wi-Fi extender, covering everything from unboxing to final configuration. You'll learn how to properly install the device, adjust wireless settings, and enhance your Wi-Fi coverage for faster browsing, HD streaming, online gaming, and uninterrupted video calls. With its powerful dual-band technology, delivers reliable speed, helping you eliminate dead zones and stay connected without interruptions.
Let's start by unboxing the TP-Link AC1200 Mesh Wi-Fi Range Extender. Inside the box you find the extender, a quick start guide, and the power cable. This items for you get on you to well on your way they boosting your Wi-Fi coverage. Start by choosing a nearby power outlet located close to your main router. This allows the extender to receive a strong signal during the initial setup process, making configuration easier and helping ensure a stable and successful connection from the very beginning. Next, plug the extender into a power outlet near your router and allow the power LED indicator to stabilize. Once the LED turns solid, it confirms the device is fully powered on and ready for setup, ensuring a smooth and reliable connection. For a convenient setup, utilize the WPS method. Begin by pressing the WPS button on your router.
Then within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the extender to establishing a connection. Look for the LED to turn solid blue, confirming that the setup between the extender and your router is successful.
Alternatively, you have the option to set up using the TP-Link Tether app. Simply download and install the app from the iOS App Store or Google Play Store. Open the TP-Link Tether app and log in using your TP-Link ID to begin setting up your AC1200 Mesh Wi-Fi extender. If you don't have an account, create a new one by following the on-screen steps to continue the mesh configuration process smoothly. Choose the range extender option, then proceed by following the step-by-step instructions provided on the screen. This will guide you configuring your TP-Link Mesh Wi-Fi extender effectively. Once connected, find the optimal location for your extender. Ideally, it should be placed halfway between your router and an area with poor Wi-Fi signal. Use the Tether app to check the signal strength and ensure the extender is in a good spot.